In this video, we're going to talk about how to develop your customer avatar. So we're going to talk about exactly how you can pinpoint the different challenges, the different interests, the different things that your ideal prospect, your ideal customer is interested in, so we can really pinpoint exactly who they are, the different things that they enjoy, the different pain points that they have. So our messaging, our business development strategy can all be centered around targeting those specific areas. So let's go right ahead and jump into this here. So when we're defining our ideal customer, we have to do some research as far as the market. Who is this individual? Where do they spend their time at? What do they do specifically? Where do they get their news? Do they read Fortune magazine? Do they read Entrepreneur magazine? Do they read CIO? Do they read the Wall Street Journal? All of these different things we need to research and find out. And one of the great places to go and actually do customer research is by going to the Facebook Audience Insights, where you can really look at the different likes, the different interests of your target individual, but there's also a ton of other resources that you can use to dig up information about your ideal prospect. So the kind of questions, as I mentioned, that we really want to find out is, what do they do? Where do they read their news from? How much money do they make? What aspects of their life or personality affect how you market your product to them? What are their biggest goals or biggest values? What is their family and relationship status? Are they married, divorced, single? Do they have children? If they have children, how many? Does anything about their relationship have a bearing on how they might use your product or fit within their particular work week? So it's really important for you to go and utilize all the different tools that are available as far as Facebook Audience Insights. There's Reddit, there's Quora, there's really simply Google, right? Where you can go out and find out information about your ideal prospect. And one of my most favorite places is going to Reddit, because Reddit, you can find different things that a lot of people will not share in the public arena more often than not, right? You're going to see a lot of behind the scenes stuff, and that really gives you an inside look of the problems, the challenges, the different things that people are going through that you can actually understand better, so you can use that to build your customer avatar. Now I'm going to provide a sheet for you here that you can use to build up your particular customer avatar, but it's really important for you to understand who exactly you're targeting. So for example, if I were to be targeting a chief information officer, right? They want to make sure that their data is secure. They want to make sure that their security managers have the right software in place, the right penetration testing going on, the right things in place so that their organization's data is protected and secure by any means necessary. So then I would go out and research, okay, what are the common areas of weakness or pain points that a CIO may be facing, right? Intruders, email spam, data protection, all these different things are what are going to be important to that CIO. So it's really important that you spend some time to really research, pinpoint, really fine tune who exactly you're going after, so that you can customize your marketing messages, your business development strategy, and then your sales strategy and process, right? To make sure that you're going after these individuals and that you're able to hit on all the different pain points, and you're able to make it very simple for them to say yes to you because you understand their pain points. You understand what's important to them, right? All these different things are what really matter, because at the end of the day, a prospect has problems, challenges, right? There's opportunities there that they may have, and it's up to you to fully understand those, right? Going into sales calls, right? You want to have kind of an idea as far as the different pain points, the different challenges they may have, but every particular individual may have different challenges at different times. So you want to get kind of a better understanding of what those challenges, those pain points are, right? And then on those sales calls, when you're on there, your sales guys can dig deeper, right? And really figure out, find out what it's really important to them. So that's going to be it here for this video, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.